Do you like gingerbread cookies but without all the gluten, sugar, and carbs? Then you definitely gotta try my gingerbread cookies. These cookies are loaded with bold cinnamon and ginger flavor that you and your whole family can indulge a little guilt-free. I have to attest that once you had one of these delicious gingerbread cookies, that you or those that you share them with are going to be asking you for more. I'm Chris, and you're watching Eat Well, Live Well, where you take international and traditional food and drinks and turn them into healthier versions. Make sure you stick around to discover more of our amazing healthy recipes. Now it's time to mold our delicious healthy gingerbread cookies. So let's get started.